It is taking us so long to build this coop because we keep running out of zip ties, and because we're like kind of ODing with the zip ties, trying to get it really tight. And the tool that we were using, this tool that we were using to cut the wire, like once you measure the small parts, broke, so we had to buy a new one. But I'm gonna work on it a little bit today. Joe's out working, so I'm gonna try to get something done. We are almost done. We have to do, oh, let me back up a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but basically this diamond right here, hold on, right here, and there's where it will meet the bottom, and then the roof, and then we're done. Really long to do this. I don't know why. It's very time consuming. We're also like being very OCD and anal. All the netting is done. Netting, what is this even? Chicken wire?
Cheap chicken wire.
Is done.
Cheap chicken wire.
Besides the door.
We gotta fix it though.
Finally got all the chicken wire mesh on it. Just did the door. When did we buy this thing? Like 3 weeks ago? God dang. What are we doing? Moving it away from the wall? I feel like you can pick it up. Oh dang, that's that vine done. Grab onto it.
Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, baby, let's get out. Yeah. No.
I like made a big
Daddy, please bring me.
Okay, here's the final product. This is not the tarp that it came with, but we had a humongous tarp that we like double folded and put it right over. I think they're gonna like it. We gotta get this out. And I think we'll put like cinder blocks or something down here so nothing can go in and get them. We're gonna put something there to like secure this because it flew off the other night. Yes.
Are they gonna walk to there?
Yeah. You want to carry them? I'm not carrying them.
No.
Okay.
They're gonna pick
On all the corners we'll put something to secure that. And Joe somehow wants to like make a little fence right here. They're like, what is this?
I think that's all of the food.
Oh, that water. I was about to say that water looks out.
Chickies.
I'm surprised you're not afraid of that.
Come on.
I think it's been like 15 minutes.
They're going to eat the zip tie.
No, they're not gonna eat it. They might pick it up and drop it, but they can't eat it.
Are you tired? There's 2 baby chickies. Daddy, 2 baby chickies came up.
Everyone's too busy. They miss
I mean, I peed myself.
you peed in your pants.
Oh, that system works. I got all of them. See, look. Daddy, sing the sign. Daddy, sing the sign.
Finally done. We still have to get a coop for inside there so they can lay and all that junk. Some toys. Okay. Bye.